Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the switch light off and removing any game card or micro SD. This prevents damage. Use a tri-point Y00 to remove the 6 back screws, then a small Phillips for internal screws. Keep parts sorted. Once the back is free, gently pry the shell with a spudger to avoid clips breaking. You want clear access to the joystick board, so carefully move the speaker and ribbon cables aside. Take photos as you go so reassembly is straightforward and accurate. With the shell open, immediately disconnect the battery to eliminate short risk. Identify the joystick PCB and check whether the joystick is soldered or uses a plug. If soldered, heat the joints and remove the old pins, and if clipped, release the connector carefully. Once removed, compare the replacement to the original to confirm orientation and any spring or cover alignment. After seating the new joystick, reconnect its cable and lightly test drift and range while the console is still accessible. Start reassembly by reversing your disassembly steps. Secure the joystick shield, replace screws in their mapped positions, and only reconnect the battery at the end so you can test safely. Power on the switch light and go to system settings, then controllers and sensors to calibrate the joystick. Make small stick movements and confirm no drift. If you see issues, power down and reseat connectors. If still faulty, reflow solder joints or try a second replacement. Those 2 checks fix most post-repair problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.